Hey y'all, so I just got this little waffle maker. I think it's very cute. I love this red and it's nice and like heavy duty, pretty strong feeling. So it's got this cord. I'm gonna get it plugged in here so that we can get all heated up for our waffles. And on the front here you can see that it's powered on, and here is a knob to turn obviously like the heat hotter or cooler, however strong you want the heat to be. And here it is on the inside, and it makes these kind of rectangle Belgian waffles. So I'm going to let it heat up and get some waffles made. Well, the waffle iron is heating up. I wanted to show you that it came with a small little recipe book and just apple walnut waffles, chocolate chip waffles, whole wheat berry waffles. So there's 6 different recipes: chocolate brownie waffles, pumpkin waffles, and oatmeal raisin. All delicious sounding waffles, and it just gives the recipe there and how to cook it. It's really convenient that you can make kind of fluffy waffles or crunchy waffles, just whatever suits your taste and fills your craving for waffles. So it's all heated up. I'm going to throw some waffle batter on there and make my waffles. Okay, well the green light is on, so let's get her open. There they are, nice and crispy on the outside, light and fluffy on the inside. These waffles are going to be delicious. I feel like this thing is going to really come in handy with my family. It's got just a nice sleek design. I feel like it will fit in my cabinet nice and flat. Once I am done cooking and stuff, storing it will be pretty easy. It even has like a little wraparound plate for the cord down here. So I just love how heavy duty it is. It just feels more solid and stronger than like those old plastic waffle makers. So I'm gonna make some more waffles for my family. So if you're looking for that waffle maker just for home use and for your family where you can get those good waffles just in the morning, I think this would suit all of your needs. I'm very impressed, and I definitely will put this to use. Even though I spilled some on the outside, they claim that it's going to be pretty easy to wipe up. It's kind of got that non-stick surface in there, so you don't even have to use oil to spray. Your waffle just pops out. So I am having high hopes that this will be pretty easy to clean up. I was able to make this whole plate of waffles. There's quite a few waffles on here, plus the ones that my little ones have eaten, and this last one in here in probably 20 minutes. I feel like that's really fast for a waffle maker. Very impressed with this little Belgian waffle maker.